We're wood turners. We like to make things round, right? And if we can make things round before we put them on the lathe, that makes our life even easier. So you have to get your wood and turn it into circles. Well, one easy way of doing that is a circle jig. Now this looks like crap, right? This is just some throwaway plastic I had. And I made up a bunch of perfect circles, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I put a hole through all of them so I can hang them up. But the other thing is there's a little tiny hole in the middle where I put my compass, and I drilled a hole through there, so I have a hole through the hole, right? So say you have a round blank. I bought this one at a SWAT, and I need to find the center on it. Well, I'll find a circle that kind of fits it. I'll get it lined up, and if I put a dot right here, whack, now I found the perfect center of my blank. But these are even better because they're made of plastic. You can make these out of wood, you can make them out of cardboard, just don't make them out of something like metal. That would be bad. So we want to take this piece of wood and cut a circle out of it, right? You put these here? No. What you do is you take this on the flat side, which is the safe side to have on the bandsaw, and then you take your circle, and I think I figured out 11 inches was about the right size for this one. And I'm going to get a screw here. So you put that there like that, right? And then I line it up, I look down the sides, and I'm like, okay, this is the best part of the wood. And I will take this and just lightly put that into the bark. Now, all I have to do is get these out of the way, turn Mr. Bandy Saw on, and I'm going to look straight down this edge. So as I push this through, the blade will come right up to the plastic, right? Now, since it's plastic, if it hits the blade, it's not going to hurt it, see? But I keep following this like so. Whoops, got something in the way here. There we go. And we'll just cut off here. Like that. But see, all I have to do is just keep following the circle all the way around, and I'll have a round blank cut out. Nice, safe, and easy.